Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a mini refresh on my master bath. Nothing too big, just a couple of things I wanted to change just to freshen things up a bit. So if y'all are ready, let's get into it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified when I upload new content. So I'm just going to start with cleaning everything first before making any changes. And I probably won't be talking much in this video. Everything I'm doing here is pretty self-explanatory, so you guys can just enjoy the music.
I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure, 'cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try. You find it distracting, hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you were gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried, if we try so hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try so hard. Tell me what you do now. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna think another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go? Let go of the days I wish we had. Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make
So
it
here
on my
is one of the changes that I made. I was taking down our old white shower curtain. There's nothing really wrong with it. I just wanted a different look. So I'm replacing that with a gray shower curtain. And also too, we have the plastic liner. And I wanted to add a fabric shower liner, which would make it a lot easier to take care of. You can just throw it in the wash and be done. It's just a lot easier to take care of and keep clean.
Together, you, oh you, I keep wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna think another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first
I
and
just
the
wanted to
second
go ahead
and
and
the
vacuum
third and
again
the rest of.
before I finish putting everything back.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with that bitch and your love. Feel like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top.
So here, there was
We don't have to move
a
so
different
fast, baby.
type
I will
of greenery
show
that I
you
had
how
sitting
you
on
can
the
catch my
sink.
vibe.
And like I said, that had been there for a while, and I just wanted a different look, so I replaced it with this orchid that I found at Marshall's. And I think it was only $9.99 actually, so it wasn't that expensive. I love the way it turned out. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with that bitch and your love. So I wanted to change out our soap dispensers. The ones that I had there before were like these brown apothecary jars that I had gotten off of Amazon. And I just wanted a different look. And again, like I said, there was nothing wrong with them. I'm probably going to use them somewhere else in my house, but I just wanted a different look for my bathroom. Just wanted to kind of brighten everything up. And here I had a different, I think it was like a wire basket that I had there holding my toilet paper, and I just wanted a different look, so I just switched that out. And I actually got that little bin from Marshall's. It was only like $7. And this is what it looked like once I was done. Like I said, nothing really big, just some small changes that I wanted to make just to freshen things up a bit. Alright y'all, that's it. If there's anything you'd like to see on my channel, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.